So for anybody who doesn't know what LEARN is, it's a handy acronym that stands for Lake, Erie, and Aquatic Research Network. It's basically a network of researchers throughout the state of Ohio and in other areas that study Lake Erie and related aquatic ecosystems. And the goal of the network is to help facilitate collaborative research among different universities, among researchers, but also with government partners, other kinds of non-academic partners, because there's a lot of really rich expertise in the region. We're visiting Walnut Creek, a wetland outside of Columbus, Ohio, with some partners. So the wetland aspect of LEARN is the Wetland Monitoring Program. So the H2Ohio Wetland Monitoring Program is one of the first research initiatives that involves LEARN, or a portion of LEARN. This monitoring program is part of the statewide H2Ohio Water Quality Initiative, and we are monitoring a lot of wetlands that have been constructed and enhanced or restored by the ODNR, the Ohio Department of Natural Resources, and we're monitoring these projects to see the effectiveness on improving water quality and retaining nutrients specifically, and also trying to assess how these different wetland designs can kind of influence their function based on where they are in the landscape, how much water they hold, and that kind of stuff. And I think it's a really unique opportunity because a project of this scope and this uniqueness could only have been pulled off by a group like LEARN. So we live in an ever-changing world, right? And we live in a highly managed landscape. So when we restore these wetlands, it's really important not just to understand how they change naturally over time, but to also understand how the human management of these systems affects the water quality function. And in addition, I think it is really empowering for us all as individuals, whether we're researchers, members of the public, or agency partners, to start to understand the benefits of these systems. And it doesn't have to be complicated sometimes, right? It can be as simple as we go to the same spot year after year to see how it tracks over time. And I think that's, again, both important in the short and the long-term understanding and connection to our landscape.